Welcome to watch today's fresh home. In the west of Paris, 50 square meters of coffee and cream sweetness. Housed in an old building in Courbevoie, this apartment is a velvety haven of peace. Designed by Atelier Opale, it has been infused with graphic simplicity to keep this historic envelope while creating a monochrome box. Thus, floors, walls and ceilings are coated in the same cream tone, at once soft, luminous and sensual, keeping as many traces of the past as possible. Also, the plan was largely revised in favor of a more fluid circulation, consistent with the desire to soften the space.